Hey ladies, and welcome to your very first day of this month's Lady of the Month show. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, this month's Lady of the Month show is going to look a little bit different. We're going to be ending on Wednesday because you guys, Christmas is coming. And I want you guys to be free to enjoy your holidays, and I don't want to be clogging up your phone with text messages. So, and I know we already had so many amazing deals with Cyber Monday and some deals I was personally running that I know you guys already took advantage of. So I'm going to give you guys a few more deals this week, but again, we're ending on Wednesday. So just a brief rundown for those of you who are wanting a refresher on how the Lady of the Month show works. Adding order will get you into the drawing for the Lady of the Month rewards. And those rewards are basically free product, half price items, and free shipping on your hostess order. And we actually already have 3 to give away. Or no, I think it's 4, 3 or 4. And you guys, we haven't even started yet. So this is amazing. And I'm really excited to see who wins this month. But anyway, so any order will get you in. But every $25 you spend after the first $25 will get you in an additional time. So in other words, any order from $1 to $49 will get you in the drawing. But once you hit 50, that'll get you in twice. 75 will get you in 3 times, 100, 4 times, etc., etc. So that will give you additional entries. There's no cap to how many times you can enter. And also, when you're ready to place your order, if you really want to go through the link, just text me and I'll send you the link. You just have to make sure and hit direct ship, because otherwise your order is going to go to whoever wins the mystery hostess party, and that would really not be fun. So make sure you hit direct ship. And also, but if you prefer, just text me with your order. It makes it so much easier for you and I, especially if I'm offering a discount. You have to message me with that so that I can get that to you. I offer payment methods that include credit card, check, and PayPal. So let me know what you prefer. And the Lady of the Month show is going to end Wednesday. So get your orders to me by the end of the day Wednesday. And then we will be doing the drawing for the winners on Thursday. Wednesday, I will be busy in the morning. I actually have a makeup class that day. And if you haven't registered yet, there's still time. It's here in Pennsylvania. So let me know if you want details on that. So I will be busy in the morning, but you can, I'll message you back as soon as I'm done. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I think that is everything. Today's video, I'm going to be actually talking about how to keep your makeup looking fresh all day. So I have some tips for you with that and a special deal that I'm offering. Tomorrow, I'm going to be talking about some really sweet ideas on how to bless whoever it is that's hosting Christmas for you or your family this year. Or maybe you're at home and you're hosting Christmas and you just want to kind of spice up your space a little bit. I'm going to be giving you some ideas and some special deals on that. So, all right, ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you again tomorrow.
Okay, so first steps first, you want to use a primer. Why is a primer important? Not only because it's very hydrating for your skin, but it also helps to plump up your skin. So it helps to almost like fill in your pores a little bit so that your makeup goes on really, really smoothly. Just gives your foundation a really, really good base. So I'm actually going to go ahead and wait for this to dry here. So I give it, maybe 5 minutes if you can. That just helps it to stay. And then I'm just going to really go fast through the rest of this makeup, because what I'm wanting to concentrate on during this video is specifically how to get your makeup to stay longer. And I've also noticed that the sponge helps the foundation to stay longer as well if you're applying with a sponge. I'm not sure why. I think it might just be, the application. Okay, so the next really important step is to do some kind of a setting powder. And this is our pink veil. We also have a matte veil, but this is our pink veil that I'm using right now. And it's important to use some kind of a setting powder when you're using liquid foundation or liquid primer or liquid concealer, sorry. So I'm applying that with the Kabuki brush. And here I'm just moving on to some blush and contouring after I'm done with that pink veil. But that pink veil is very important to help keep your makeup looking fresh all day. All right, so before I do my mascara, I'm going to go ahead and spritz my face with our mineral setting spray. This is great for just keeping your minerals hydrated. It keeps them from looking powdery. And then I'm finishing up here with some mascara and lip gloss. And that is basically what I do to help my makeup set and stay for an all-day wear. Stay tuned because I'm going to share with you guys a special bundle that is just for this event.
If you found that video really helpful, I'm really excited because I am offering you guys a deal specifically on those 3 products that I talked about that are great for helping your makeup stay all day long. So we have the makeup primer, which is what I started with. And then we have the pink veil, which is what I use to set all of my liquid foundation and liquid concealer. And then we have the mineral setting spray, which is what I used after my look was complete and just misted that on right before my mascara. Now, these 3 altogether would normally be $58, and this month I'm offering them to you as a Christmas gift from me for only $50. And these will last you quite some time. I love these products. They are really, really helpful in helping your makeup stay all day long. And they're really, really great for your skin as well, thanks to Lemongrass Spa's outstanding standards when it comes to their products. So if you want that deal, just let me know. It cannot be combined with like birthday deals or anything like that. But that is the makeup deal that I'm offering this month. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Your bonus word for today is going to be primer. So make sure and send that to me in a text message before the end of the day so that I can enter you in today's giveaway. So again, that word is primer. All right, ladies, have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.